Hi friends, welcome to the Education Hub Learning YouTube channel. In this video, we can discuss about the SQL commands. What are the SQL commands? We can discuss now. So first of all, what is meant by the SQL commands? So you want to create one table. That table will be instructions will go to the tables by using the MySQL commands only. You can build the tables by using the SQL commands only. You can add the information. For example, SQL commands are the uh, alter. These are the SQL commands. So some operations. So some operations you will give, then only it interact with the database. These SQL perform the various tasks. For example, creating a table or altering a table or deleting a table or modify the table, dropping the table. These are the performance in the SQL. By using the SQL commands only, you can build the one particular table. So basic tags are the, for example, you want to create one table. First of all, you can create one database. Create database, database name, whatever you want. For example, I will give CSC1. This is my database. How to create the database means create database name. So next one, how to select the database means by using the use command we can use the database. Use database name is CSC1. Okay, database change. For example, I want to create one employee uh, employee data. Create table. Table name is, for example, emp employee id. Employee id type is int. So sequence number means we take as a int, comma, employee name. Character means varchar. So size is, for example, 30. Only two columns added. So query, okay, zero rows. There is we are not adding the rows. So that's why it appearing the zero rows affected. For example, you want add the rows by using the insert command. We can add the rows. Insert insert into table name emp values. So for example, one single quote you can give it as single quotes Likita. Okay, next comma, you can separate it, first column, first row and second row. You can, by using the separate comma, you can use it. For example, Likita. Okay, query, okay, two rows added. Okay, for example, you want to see the table. How to see the table means by using the select command we can see the table name. Select star from table name is emp. Okay, employee id, employee name. Okay, the by using the create table, you can only creating the columns. Okay, these are the columns is nothing but is a field and rows are nothing but records. Okay, create table emp id is here. Only here columns are added by using the create table. You can use it as a insert by using the insert command. You can add the rows values. Okay, so syntax is insert into table name values 1 comma. So here values here I take as a 1. Here employee id is 1. I take it. Employee name is Likita. Okay, so as it is, these are the values. So rows are nothing but records. Okay, for example, I want to see what data type it will. Means it describe DESC. It means describe the student table name, sorry. Table name is emp. Okay, these are the fields. Okay, these are the fields is nothing but column. Okay, type is id is into emp name is equal to varchar. So this is the describe. For example, I want add one more column. For example, emp email id. Okay, how to add means alter table name is emp set add email. Email is which type of data type? So varchar. Okay, you won't see the table if it is added or not. Okay, email is added by using the alter command. We can add one more column. Okay, for example, you want this null is you can take as your mail id. How to update it? Update by using the update command. You can update the data. Okay, update table name set column name employee id no, no, email is equal to, for example, hmm, honey 12 at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, next where condition you can apply emp id equal to 1. So error. 1 minute. Okay, update table name set email is you can update it, and where emp id is equal to 1. Here 1 and employee name is Likita. So here mail id is honey12 at the rate of gmail.com. So you want to if it is updated or not, you can check select star from emp. So add it. Okay, for example, you want add one more 3. Here employee id is 2. So add it. So by using the update command, we are adding the information to the database. So we discussed about the how to create the data type and how to insert the values, how to show the table by using the select command, and how to see the fields and type null key and default extra. uh, how to describe the table means describe DESC table name. So how to add the column means by using the alter command we can use the one more column. So syntax is alter table table name and add email varchar. So size again you can see the table. And how to update the value means update command you can use update table name set column name is equal to value where condition you can apply. Okay, for example you want to delete rename the table names, rename the table name, rename. For example, you want to change the table name. So table name is emp. You want to change as employee details. You want to change. So rename syntax is table name. Old table name is emp. This is old table name, and you want to set as a new table name. To new table name is emp details. So enter. Query will be added. If you enter a old table name it will not appear the table. So you want add the emp details, so it will be appear the table name. So these are the commands we are used in the SQL commands. And we discussed about the how many types of SQL commands are. Five types. They are the DDL command and DQL command, DML command, DCL command, TCL commands. Now we discuss about the what are the DDL commands. What is the abbreviation of the DDL commands? Means data definition language. Why we use the DDL commands means we can create and modify the structure of the database. For example, you want to create one table means by using the create command we can create the table. For example, you want to erase the data from the table by using the drop command you can use. For example, you want to add one column you can use as a alter. And rename means table name. For example, you want to rename the table name, old table name to new table name by using the rename command. So we discussed about the how to create the table. So create command is used to a table or index structure or we use syntax is create table, table name and column name size. Okay, here example, a table name is student and column name is roll number name, data type means varchar. So this is the syntax and example of the create command. Okay, next drop. Why we use the drop command means you can delete the data from the database, data from the database. Next syntax is drop table table name. And for example, drop table name is a student. Okay. Next command alter. Alter is nothing but to add a new column into the table. For example, for example, I already added the ID and name. I want add the one more column here. By using the alter command only you can create the one more new column. Okay, syntax is alter table name and add the column name and data type. Already we are added here. So alter table table name, add, email, I added. So here it will be added. Okay. Next command is rename. Rename is nothing but means old table name into the new table name. You want to change the table name means you want to use this uh, rename command. Okay. Syntax is rename table old table name to new table name. This is the syntax for the rename. And example is rename table old table name is already I take as a student to the student one, I rename it. Okay. So this is the syntax for the rename. And one another one is truncate, remove all records from the table. Syntax is truncate table name. So rename means truncate means all records will be removed by using this truncate command. This is the video for the MySQL commands. How many types of MySQL commands, which commands we are used. So we discuss in this video. If you want like it, like and share and comment. Thank you for watching this video.